Dear ladies and gentlemen, like Mirko, I presented yesterday on the main floor. My name is Alexander Gossmann. I would like to show you our company, Opel Operational Analytics. What is it about? We are providing services to retailers to optimize a main problem all of them have. It's the availability of fresh goods and the losses caused by overshelving at the end of the day. So what you see here is 4% of the overall incomes, overall return on investment for the retailers, and this is for fast-moving goods statistically, and this is a lot because the margins are very low. And the freshness of goods is, as you can imagine, the most important thing for us as consumers. So we have a use case in the bakery process of a large retail store, and you can imagine that there is much more restrictions there. We have losses around about 5 to 10%, and especially the opportunity costs, if you are not on shelf, are very high. So for us as data scientists, the data challenge is 2 billion records per year, with a growing tendency, of course. We have minute-wise data from the bakery process. So what we did is an assessment of the analysis and operational data in real time. We enhanced this with weather and event data, location-based. We provide fast market trend analysis, geospatial analysis, forecasts, and we end up at a MAPE of 16%, what is statistically very good. And our learning algorithms are always processed in real time. That's why we are very flexible with this. We use for that the HANA Cloud Platform, as you heard yesterday. This is an in-memory database. That's why it is actually possible at all. Our current development is to input expert knowledge to have a closed loop if they have some adjustments to the forecasts, and regional events, POS data, and so on, and the data grows exponentially, of course. This is what it looks like. I will show you a short demo right now, and this is the architecture. If you are not familiar with the SAP HANA and in-memory database, this is the index server. We have one single point of truth for all managers, for all reports. It is possible because it's a hybrid database with column storage, in memory, very fast, and this is the architecture. If you have questions, I would like to answer you after the session. So let me show you a short demo. Unfortunately, one second. Okay, what's happened? I see it here, but no, I don't see it there. Could you help me? It's the same picture, should be there. Duplicate there. Thanks. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, what you see here are the reports. We have two solutions, one desktop. I will show you the desktop one and the mobile version. What you see here is highly aggregated view on regions. So the main key figures are availability against loss, and this is based on minutely-wise data, as I mentioned before. So you have normal OLAP functionality with this, which is very, very fast. You can see it here. We try to do 2 years of data, billions of data records, and they are really instantly there. We can do the drill down. We go into calendar weeks. As you see, it's not a problem. What is remarkable, more or less, in all the data warehouses solutions, sorry about that, the resolution is too small. You see here regression analysis, which is instantly calculated. Before that, we had to do batches and run it at night. So you see it. What you see here is a trend analysis for a certain good, the baguette in a certain store. We have another example. So this is running pretty good. It's getting better over the time. And this is a bad example. So this baguette is sold very, very weakly. So, and let me show you just briefly the data behind this. You see it, it's minutely wise data. And what you can see here, hopefully, at the end of the day in Germany, we have open until 8 p.m. And you see here, we have been out of shelf at 16 o'clock. And this is what the retailer would like to completely avoid. And you can see another example. And we provide intraday monitoring and intraday recommendations for the store manager. In this way, he can much better perform at the end of the day. So what you see here, another example, we've been out of shelf in between of the day and filled up the shelves not very efficiently. So I hope this was a glimpse of our solution. Sorry about that. I would like to show you some forecasts, but it doesn't work here. So if you have any further questions, I would be happy to answer you to that. Thank you very much.